morning, I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. This morning we're headed out to Pickerington, Ohio to do some drain tile cleaning on a yard drain. Right along with us. Check it out. Alright, we're here at the job site and we're going to go ahead and start doing some drain tile cleans, mapping, and just making sure that the line is totally clear. We use cutter blades on the end of the cable. That way when it goes down through there and gets over there by those trees, there's roots over that away. And we want to be sure that we clear this line because it takes an awful lot of water. This whole area is gravel perforated pipe, and it all connects into a solid line going down here and out around to the back side of this home. Alright, I don't know if you can see that, but we've got minor roots back on the cable. Definitely a few roots down in there. We've managed to go down it twice now. I've actually cleaned it twice. I'm going to go ahead and go back down this line one more time. Drain line as far as this can reach, and then we'll go to the next clean out. Alright, looks really good, nice and clean. Let's go ahead and take this to the next clean out. There's a lot more roots in this line, in this area. These huge trees infiltrated the line, and if you don't clean them every year, you won't be able to get by it. This is field tile. Once again, it's field tile underground. And they're just 1 foot sections butt-ended together. It was put in the ground many, many years ago. We'll get these roots off the line and go down one more time. This is the third pass. Look at those roots. But as long as you maintain it. Alright, well, I just took a quick look down in here, and tough to tell. I don't see any moving water, so I think we've still got a little bit of blockage in there. Normally I can see the bottom of the tee or just a little bit of water, but there's water around the entire pipe there. I can see it's been up a lot higher, so we're going to go ahead and clean this one as well. Alright, I managed to get through this line. I went out into the field back here. A little bit of resistance on the line, might be bringing back a few roots, but the water drained out of the pipe, so that's good. That means we've cleared the blockages. You can kind of see where this line is. It's coming out like this way. But this line, my cable extends beyond, this brush here, these limbs. But this line goes way back into the field. Not there where that big tree is. On the other side of the field. That's about 500 yards. And then it turns to the right and goes to a creek about a half a mile away. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. Thank you for watching. And remember, it's easy once you know how.